Okay, we're in this street, Rua de Sacadura, Cabral, and we're actually not too far from Rua de Amaranch close to Cabral. Cabral. And we have, yeah, and me. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk up Rua de Sacadura, Cabral, and we're gonna be walking that direction, which is kind of near the Guia Hill Lighthouse. So so stay tuned. There's actually we're gonna go in that direction, but we're gonna be missing that direction. But nonetheless, we're gonna capture some of this street. So let's do it. Yep. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. I kind of wonder what's up there too. I don't think I've really walked this street really.
Me neither.
So I think it's like, you know what these things are right here? I think there's something, they used to have these everywhere in Japan. There's something to do with like luck, like bringing in customers, and they always have that little arm like that. I used to see those all the time in Japan. They're usually in little shops. So we're gonna walk down this street. It's the one thing about this particular street is there's not really any guardrails, unlike most of the streets, and this one has like all one way, all going this way, so it feels a little bit like a little bit of a challenge. So have you been down this street before?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. It's not really it's not really a good walking street because of the structure, because you're right next to the cars like that. But this one does take us down to an interesting area. So we're going to be walking by, what do you see? Side street, General Rodriguez. Let me just step away a little bit. Just gonna take a look at this Antiguario. Check that shop out. There's actually birds in there too.
It reminds me of
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down Sacadura, Cabral. And oh yeah, you know, actually this particular street does go near these brown and yellow buildings, which is actually, like, when you're down this area, it looks kind of cool. I think let's try to cross the street if we can. You have to hurry, right? Get across. So once we get down there, there's going to be like those purple and yellow buildings right down there. It's like near Topsic. Halloween.
my favorite. I love Halloween.
Halloween is like only 10 days away. What shop? 9 more days. I missed it. There's what?
There's a bully.
I have been up. This street is called Esperanza, and I have filmed up in this area before. It's actually, there's a cemetery right there, so it's actually kind of a good spot just to kind of look down. And actually, that one right there is there's a little garden right in there. We've been in there before a few times, but we're just kind of stepping up a little bit, just to kind of since we're filming together, it's like kind of good to get away from that street because it's hard to stop in that street because of the traffic. Give you a little feel for the stuff that's around here. Got some flower shops here. Yeah, we can't really walk side by side very easily in here. But in a minute we're going to get to this Topsic area. And we kind of have these nice buildings already. That's Rua de Tapsec. And then actually this area is actually really photogenic. Like for example, if we came over here, and if I put the camera right here and did that, we kind of have like that nice, we'd have that style right here behind us. Good backdrop. But actually the street here is kind of narrow as well. It's kind of hard to film it very well.
Have you ever tried one of these before?
I haven't, have you?
No.
I know they're popular though. Oh, is that the one-piece card game? You want to see what's inside? Oh, it's an entire thing in here.
Yeah. I mean, if they have any...
If they had a what?
If they have energy, My Hero Academia. If they had, I would still go.
Which one? If they had which one?
If they have My Hero Academia, which is also MHA, then I would definitely go inside.
That's right. You have a bunch of My Academia books.
Yeah.
We bought it in Michigan, didn't we? So we're kind of coming out here, and our target street is basically that one right there. So I guess we'll go back to it. Actually, do have all these art galleries. We could check out something like that. Oh, we've got a green light here, so we're gonna go across.
Let's go.
Got another green light on this side. So let me just kind of do a quick 360 here. I can see all this top six. So, and then we kind of up this side. There's a bookshop and kind of a little bit of other stuff. So I think what we're gonna do is, oh yeah. How come the quality looks kind of fuzzy? The lighting is funny.
I'm really curious. I love the lighting. Is it actually good? Because I need to... How do you do that? I don't know.
You gonna put some filters on it?
You're right.
I think that photo is, it's like too dark, the lighting's. So we're gonna come all the way up to here, and there's a school. I think this one is Luis Gomes High School. Anyways, Gomes. So we're just gonna come by, and so kind of a, I don't know about the video, how interesting it would be, but basically I'm just kind of hanging out with my daughter here, so we're just having a good old time, walking around Macau, checking stuff out, and we're gonna try to find some interesting streets for you today, and that was just kind of a little bit of a random one. So that's it behind us, and we're gonna try to find another one to do, and we'll try to get a good game plan for it, focus for it. It's kind of random. We just parked the car, and this is the first place that we walk down and see. Should they subscribe? We think this particular episode is not that great, right? Just subscribe anyways and check out the other ones, because we have some really good content coming up. But we're just kind of we just got out of the car and walking around. So. Hey, check out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la boquinha.